How to add Robonomics Network on MetaMask application. Are guys facing issues to add Robonomics Network on MetaMask application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open MetaMask on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, tap on plus icon. Now click on search bar and search for Robonomics. In order to add Robonomics Network, just click this box and hit the next button. You can see the option for import. Tap on it. As soon as you hit the import button, Robonomics Network will be added on MetaMask application. And that's it, guys. That's how you can add Robonomics on MetaMask application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you guys have any issues regarding MetaMask, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.